All right, I'm just going to quickly show off the current state of our Dialogflow CX export script, just a little demo of what it's capable of. So here I've got a project with just a couple of intents in it. These are very simple. The utterances do not have any entity references in them at the moment, but this is just to show a quick example. So I'm going to export this as assistant content, and it's a JSON file. So I've got my VF file here. And then I have a Dialogflow CX project here that I want to basically upload my intents to. So I'm just going to grab the URL here. So this is the project ID, the location, and the agent ID here. And I'm going to go and I'm going to call my upload script. So I have this Dialogflow CX export script that I'm working on. It takes the VF file that I just downloaded and also takes the project name that I just pulled from my project. So you'll notice I have just two intents here. I'm going to run this script and going to run this script, and you can see it was reading my project file. It uploaded the two intents from my NLU. And now if I head back here and just refresh the page, I should see my order coffee and my order breakfast intents. And they've been labeled with a kind of unique label here, which is how we're doing the merging. So if I actually, again, this is very naive right now, it's just making sure I don't overwrite an existing intent. But it can be a lot more intelligent than this. So you can see it skipped uploading these intents, order breakfast and order coffee, because it detected that they were already in the project. So this is still very early. Obviously, we'll be able to detect that an intent exists and thus merge the utterances within it and make sure all of the entity tagging remains intact. But yeah, just a quick preview of what you can expect from an export script like this.